This is the Note 17 series. These two are the Note 17 Pro. Its back panel has a curved design. It's not bad. I think this blue looks especially good. These three are the standard Note 17 models. This purple one is also quite nice. This blue is different from the Pro's blue. It looks like a cloud. Let's open the box. Yeah. It is the same. It comes with a silicone case, which is quite soft.
This is the purple one.
Wow, this color is actually quite nice. 50 million pixels flash. Now let's unbox the next one. The one I just unboxed was the Note 17 standard version.
Let's unbox the Note 17 Pro in white. Same thing.
This white one is quite nice. Oh, the Pro has a flat screen, and the back panel is flat too. Well, the standard version is the one with the slightly curved back cover. The Pro model has a pretty nice feel, and it looks much better than the previous generation. I think their screen sizes are different, and there is also a slight difference in the bezels. The Pro seems a bit more refined. The Pro's bezels are quite nice. The Pro's bezels are quite nice, with no large chin. This wallpaper is quite nice. The processor isn't shown yet, but the touch response seems quite smooth. This white is really quite nice, especially with this pink wallpaper. Oh, the upgrades on this Pro model are quite significant, I feel. This is the 17 Standard Edition. The 17 Standard Edition actually looks quite nice, but yeah, this large chin is a bit too big. This processor might be quite average. It doesn't even have full animations. But the upside is that the system feels a bit smoother than the previous Note 15 Standard Edition. Okay, unboxing complete.